Want your room to smell like a tropical oasis? Well, try out our Hawaiian sunset fragrance and these fun and easy gel air fresheners. I'm Maddie, and in today's AFI how-to, you can follow along with me and learn how to make them yourself. For this recipe, you'll need deionized water, and make sure it's chilled beforehand. We can add our color now. I'm going to give my gel a vibrant pink color to evoke imagery of exotic cocktails, tropical florals, and gorgeous sunsets. Stir the color in so it's uniform, and you can sprinkle in the gelling agent, carrageenan. This is an algae-based ingredient that will firm up the air freshener and give it that jelly-like texture. Stir it in a bit, and just note that it won't quite dissolve yet. Set the bowl in a heated double boiler and grab your Hawaiian Sunset fragrance oil. This is going to be the star of the show in this product. To help the fragrance blend in with the water base, we need to combine it in with some polysorbate 80. Stir the two together thoroughly for at least a minute to ensure everything is nice and homogenized. Now let's check in on our water mixture. When the carrageenan is completely dissolved, you can remove the bowl from the double boiler. Let it cool to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit or under. Because these air fresheners do have water in them, you need to make sure you're preserving them. Add in German Bin 2 preservative now. Follow it up with the fragrance mixture, making sure it's stirred in well. Once everything is combined, pour the gel into your containers, and I just went with some clear screw top jars. Make sure your containers have lids so you can contain the scent of the air freshener when it's not in use. Fill up each jar and allow them to cool completely by placing them in an air tunnel or fridge. Once they've solidified, pop the lids on them and you're done! Each 8-ounce jar of gel air freshener costs about $2 to make, meaning they can be sold wholesale for $3 to $5 and retail for $6 to $8, depending on the fragrance and additives that you choose to use. Can't get enough free fragrance content? Well, head on over to Fragrance University for tons of air fresh tutorials and info, all at the click of a button. Thank you guys so much for joining us today in the lab. So hit that like button if you haven't already and subscribe to stay up to date with the AFI team. I'm Maddie, and I'll catch you guys in the next video real soon. Bye!